Hey everyone, this is Tepdon here from Breaking Options. And just a quick trade tip because we have this happening to a trader live right now as we speak. He bought tomorrow's 62 Lottos on AMD for 12 cents. AMD is shooting up off of the Intel missed earnings. So what we want him to do so he can lock in those profits and not have to worry about what happens overnight, and if it pulls back to even 61, which would make them worthless, he is calling his broker right now and he's shorting the shares. He's trying to short an equal amount of shares. So for every one contract, he'll be shorting 100 shares. What that does, that locks in your profits. It caps your gains, but you don't have to worry about overnight. You do need to have a decent size account or at least some sort of margin in your account usually to be able to do this. Some brokers will let you do it without that because you're covered with the call side. But it's a way of locking in your gains on options after hours. Because how many times have you bought an option and something like this happens where a Lotto, and he had decent size, a $250 investment basically turned into, I don't know, roughly 2,000, probably a little over $2,000 profit, right? So he made basically 1,000%, and you want to lock that in. So the only way you could do that is by shorting the stock. What does that do? If the stock reverses and goes down, you're making money on the short side, and your call is going down, but you're making an equal amount of money on locking it in. So just a little trade tip here for option traders that if something like this happens to you and you do not want the overnight risk or want to lock in some, you could always just short half the amount. So he happens to have 20 contracts. He could just short 1,000 shares and leave 10 and gamble with that. But it would be nice when you have 1,000% profit overnight like this to lock some in. Hope you all had a great trading day. Hope you all enjoy this trading tip and are able to use it. Any questions, you can go to breakingoptions.com and there's a support tab there where you can email me or email me at tepdon@breakingoptions.com. Thank you and have a great night.